Namaste children. Today we are going to learn lesson 5, The Hungry Caterpillar, from our workbook. Already the lesson we have completed. We have to complete our workbook and workbook one small story is given. After that we have to complete the grammar part also. So here is read and understand the three little butterflies. You can see some butterfly pictures are given here. Sun, flowers, sky, cloud, all that you can see here. Okay. So this is a short story about three friends. First I will read the lesson. After that I will explain and we will write the question answers. Okay. Then let's start. The three little butterflies. Three little butterflies, one white, one red, and one yellow, played together happily in the sunshine. One day it rained heavily and their wings got wet. They flew to a red and yellow sunflower and said, "Dear sunflower, please let us shelter in your flower till the storm is over." The sunflower said, "The red and yellow butterflies may come in, because they are like me." But the two butterflies said, "Oh, no, we will stay outside in the rain with our friend." Then they flew to a white lily and said, "Good lily, will you open your bud so we may shelter from the rain?" The lily said, "The white butterfly may come in because he is like me." Shelter means stay safe. Okay, here. Then the little white butterfly said, "I will stay out in the rain with my friends." The sun heard everything. He pushed his face through the clouds and shone brightly. He dried the wings of three little butterflies and they were happy once again. Okay, so this story is like this. One day, the three little butterflies, one was in white color, the another one red, and another one in yellow color. They were playing in a garden, and suddenly, what happened? The rain started heavily, and the butterflies, their wings got wet in the rain. So the three friends they went and asked a sunflower for their shelter, for hiding for some time till the rain and storm. Storm means heavy, strong winds. So they wanted to hide under the sunflower and asked for some shelter. Then the butterfly told, "I will allow only yellow and red butterfly because they are like me." Then the red and yellow butterflies they told that, "No, no, that then if you are giving shelter for me, our white uh, friend will be white, but butterfly will be outside, so we are not coming to you." And they went and asked one lily flower, white lily flower. They asked for shelter. "If you are opening your bud, we can take shelter, or we can hide under your flower till the rain stops." Then the white lily told, "No, no, I will allow only white butterfly because that butterfly is like me." Then what happened? Three of them refused to take shelter from these two flowers. And by the time this sun was seeing all this, immediately what happened, children? Sun came outside from the sun, from the clouds, and shone brightly. When sun is shining brightly, what happened? There will be heat will be there, no? So the butterflies' wings got dried. Again, these butterflies started playing. Okay, so here these butterflies were very good friends. They don't want to Send one butterfly out and take shelter from the flower. So all of them played together and they lived happily in that garden. Okay. Now let us see some question answers. Some question answers are given here, children. Let us complete that first. Who said to whom? ఎవరితో అని చెప్పారు ఇది. We have to see that. Who said to whom? Please let us shelter in your flower till the storm is over. Let us take rest in your flower. Let us take shelter in your flower till the storm is over. Storm means strong wind. When it rains, sometimes a strong wind also will be there. No, so they asked for shelter. To whom they asked? Who asked like this? The red and yellow butterfly. The red, yellow, and white butterflies asked to the sunflower. So what we have to write here? Please let us shelter in your flower till the storm is over. So we have to write here the red, yellow, T-H-E, the R-E-D, red, comma, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, and W-H-I-T-E, white, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies, to the sun, to the Next, we have to write the red and yellow butterflies may come in because they are like me. Who told this? The sunflower told this. No. So we have to write the T-H-E, the T-H-E, the S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower, to the R-E-D, red, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, and W-H-I-T-E, white, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. Okay, so the red and yellow butterflies may come in because they are like me. The sunflower to the red, yellow, and white butterflies told like this. Okay. Next, I will stay out in the rain with my friends. Who told this? The white butterfly to the white lily. No, when they asked for shelter, what Lily told? Lily told only the white butterfly can come inside. So what did she say? The white butterfly told that I will stay outside. Who told this? The white butterfly to the white lily. T-H-E, the W-H-I-T-E, white, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly to the W-H-I-T-E, white, L-I-L-L-Y, white lily. The white butterfly to the white lily. Answer the following questions. How did the butterflies get their wings wet? How did they get wet? It rained heavily and the butterflies' wings got wet. So you have to write here. it, it, R-A-I-N-E-D, rained, H-E-A-V-I-L-Y, heavily, and the, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, apostrophe, butterfly's wings got wet, G-O-T, got W-E-T, wet. It rained heavily and the butterfly's wings got wet. Okay. Second question, who did they ask for shelter? They asked for a red and a yellow sunflower for shelter. First they asked the sunflower, then they went to ask for help to a white lily. Okay, so we will write here, they asked, T-H-E-Y, they asked a red and yellow sunflower for shelter. They asked a red and yellow sunflower for shelter. Next question. Why did they decide to stay out in the rain? They decided to stay outside in the rain because the sunflower refused to give shelter to the white butterfly. So here we have to write they, T-H-E-Y, they decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided to stay outside in the rain because, P-E-C-A-U-S-E, because the sunflower, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower, refused to, he was not ready to help all the three, no, refused to give shelter to the white butterfly, to the white butterfly. They decided to stay outside in the rain because the sunflower refused to give shelter to the white butterfly. Okay, next. See children, sometimes it will be seeing like overlapping, but I am telling again, reading it again, so you can hearing that, by hearing that you can write it. What did the sun do when he saw what was happening? What did the sun do? The sun pushed his face. The sun pushed his face through the clouds, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through the clouds, and shone brightly, S-H-O-N-E, shone, B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, shone brightly. The sun pushed his face through the clouds and shone brightly. So, here see children, sometimes it may be seeing as overlapped, no problem. What you have to do, you have to read the story, then try to write the answer on your own and check the answers. Okay. So here A and B bit answers I have given. Read it correctly, write without spelling mistake. Okay. Thank you, children.